I think to me, love is kind of familiarity or kind of, respect and care and consideration is what love is. There's no one singular feeling or one singular emotion that love is. It's just this overwhelming level of concern and, care. Yes, so that's definitely, she smiles a lot and she laughs a lot. And she has very kind and very friendly eyes. I notice those immediately, and I still notice those things today.
Rahima is calling you.
Sorry.